A week to go.
Maybe for you guys.
Maybe it's for you. Never know. For us, maximum. Max. A week. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Meron ka, how do you say? Meron ka gusto ibahin kung lalabas ka?
Like,
Maybe a relation with someone or...
ang alam mong pinaka at the moment. What do you mean?
Something. Just a relation.
With
Someone or...
here?
No, not here. In the
Outside.
Yeah. Besides me, maybe. Besides him, something else.
I don't know.
Like you want to change your relation with your dad, or
No, we're
with your other family members, or
Wala.
with friends. No.
Wala naman akong... Super okay ako sa lahat ng tao bago ako pumasok. Ano yun? Nothing needs repair. Yeah. Ikaw?
No. I will see it outside if someone, kung meron nasaktan or whatever. It's from relatives ko. So tingin mo, did you hurt someone outside? You? Sa mga sinabi mo or whatever?
Here?
O nakwento mo? I mean outside.
My
About your
mom?
friends, about your relatives, or kind of.
Wala. Not knowing me. Not consciously. And not on purpose.
It's pizza time. Lamig ng paa mo.
Nakamiss si Bodhi.
Si Boat?
Pero kasi kagagahan. Nagsasabi mo. Naaliw ako. But now, do you get his jokes?
His jokes?
Diba you used to not get his jokes?
Yeah, that was then. Pero still, yung jokes na is Bodhi. You know, for someone, for example, diba dito, nagjo-joke siya palagi sa, diba sinasabi ko na makapal ang mukha niya? Because he knows, I know that it's just a joke. But maybe outside they don't get the joke. No, it looks like makapal ang mukha niya. I mean, but it's just joking. Yun yung mga jokes na, diba? It's a bit funny. Super funny.
Why?
That's just funny. Like, I think he's the only one that I know was joking around like that.
Yeah.
Makapal ang mukha, he's the only one that I know.
Naka naka-encounter na ako.
Oh?
Maybe that's why I got his jokes right away.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Diba ikaw at first you didn't understand it.
At first for me it was
You
not
didn't get it.
it was not a joke.
Yeah. That's why.
Anong sure ng kwarto mo?
Kasi we switched eh. My sister and I switched.
Yeah.
When the baby came,
Because...
it used to be dark.
Yeah. Why did you switch?
Bakit na dark dun sa...
The room was
I
bigger.
don't know. No, kasi sa room ko, may dalawang bed.
Mm-hmm.
They needed more bed.
Mm-hmm.
Ngayon, my room is my sister's room.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
But did you change your room? I mean, sa itsura, or you kept it how
Iba
your sister
na.
had
Iba
it?
na yung itsura kasi.
No, I mean,
Turugang.
did you kept how your sister used to have
Yeah.
it, or you changed it?
Yeah, may isang malaking portrait niya doon. Oh, is napakalaki. Gift sa kanya ni Tubby friend.
Yeah.
Nakahang doon. There's stuff still there.
Mm-hmm. And how was your old room, or itsura?
Wala. Wala na.
Nothing?
Wala lang.
Bakit ang
Hindi ako,
sabihin?
kami never naging super girly. We never had pink.
Mm.
I mean, as motif. No. Siguro dumating na siya sa point na mukha siya na girly because of the things.
Mm. So what does it look like?
But the motif was forever yellow and blue.
Mm-hmm. Saan yung mga dolls, bears,
Dati,
and
naka-display sila. Ngayon,
They were not on the bed?
they used to.
Ah.
Ano, like Pamela?
Mm-hmm.
They were always on the bed. But,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, meron na ibang stuff toys, diba?
Mm-hmm.
Dati naka-display sila, ngayon nakatago na siya. Sila Pamela lang yung nakalabas. Because I sleep with them.
Mm-hmm.